Solution of verify it's you problem. When you click this YouTube studio option or upload your video, you get this kind of problem. Verify it's you. This time you cannot upload your content and access for dashboard. If you click this next options, Google suggests you to complete these steps. Therefore, go to Google and click this Google Apps options and click account. Then click security options. Scroll and go to how you sign in to Google's options, and then submit recovery email and recovery phone, and then enable this two-step verification option. Then your this verified problem will be solved.